Good day traders, it's Jason from SureshotFX. Today I have another exciting forecast for you as we focus on the S&P 500 and look ahead to the upcoming week. But first, let's quickly recap what happened last week to better understand what's coming next in the S&P 500 market. We'll start our analysis with the last week market structure. Last week we saw a beautiful downward movement on the US 500 indices. As you can see, after the change of character, market beautifully created a lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. There was a beautiful entry point at this point from this order block. And last week, we also forecasted that S&P 500 was going to mitigate this demand zone. Now, let's look what's going on in the high time frame. If you look at high time frame, we can see that market is reacting from this bearish bullish order block, and there was a change of character at this point. And if we look at 4-hour time frame, we also can see that this bearish movement that we saw last week is potentially pullback of this bullish leg. So back to the hourly time frame and get our drawings, we can see that there was a change of character after mitigating this demand zone, and there was an entry opportunity at this order block. So what can we expect from S&P 500 this week? So as you can see, market at this point, market failed the supply zone, failed to hold, and market broke this structure point. After that, there was a pullback, and most probably market is going to target this order block, fill up this gap, or even go for this order block. So till there's two order block zones, we are bullish. We can clearly look for long setups with lower time frame confirmations like this. Let's say in lower time frame confirmation, we saw a break of structure. We will wait for pullback. Then we will look for long setups at the zone that broke the structure on lower time frames. Now, here is our swing low point. We are bullish until this low gets taken out. If market does something like this, then we will wait for pullback and our bias will change and we'll look for short setups. But until then, we can surely look for long setups on S&P 500. So let's quickly summarize our forecast for the US 500. S&P 500 is potentially bullish for this week. Last week, we saw a huge drop on US 500 indices due to dollar bullishness, but price is giving a reaction from the hourly demand zone. If dollar continues to be bullish, then we might see some more downwards movement. You can see this low can be broken, but we can take short-term long setups targeting those two order blocks. Based on current technical standpoint, I believe that S&P 500 will also continue its bullish movement this week. Let's see how the market unfolds. It's always important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, forex trading carries risks, so staying informed and managing your risk wisely is the key. That wraps up our US 500 indices forecast for the upcoming week. Make sure to subscribe to SureshotFX for more valuable forex insight. Wishing you all flexible trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I will catch you in the next video.